Hello guys, welcome back to mathematics. Today we are gonna check how to divide a fraction by a whole number. Always remember that when we divide a number in another one that is bigger than 1, then we are making the number smaller. So let's imagine that we want to divide 1/2 by 2. What is happening here is that we have a whole divided in two parts and we are taking one of those parts. And then that part we divide it in two again. So we have this portion here. As you can see, this is the same as 1/4. That means 1/2 divided by 2 is equals to 1/4. But what is the operation that we should do so we don't have to do the graph every time? Then, what we just need to do is to multiply the divisor in the denominator. So we are going to have 1/2, and we multiply the denominator by the 2. 1 over 2 times 2, which is 4. That's the operation that we need to do. Let's do some other examples. 2/3 divided by 2. In this case, we are going to put 2 over 3 and the 2 we multiply to the denominator. We are going to get 2 over 6, 2/6. Notice that in this case we can simplify dividing by 2. It's going to be 2 divided by 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3, 1/3. We had 2/3 at the beginning, divided by 2 is just 1/3, makes sense. And another example here. Again, it's going to be 3/5, but then we multiply the 4 to the denominator. It's going to be 3 over 20. Careful. At this moment, I need to give you a warning. There's two different things, dividing by a whole and simplifying, as you have seen. When you divide by a whole, like in this case, remember it's just the denominator that is multiplied by the 4. But simplifying, you are not making the fraction smaller. You are just expressing the same thing with different values, and then you divide both top and bottom. Then you are not dividing the fraction, you are just expressing it in another way. That's going to be 1/2. So in this case of simplifying, I just express the same fraction in two different ways, but the amount is the same. And in this case, what I did, it was to do actually an operation, a division between two numbers. And this is 432. Actually, I could simplify this one, this result, and express it in a simplest way. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 32 divided by 4 is 8. So 4 eighths divided by 4 is actually just 1/8. Notice that if the numerator is divisible by the number, you can go straight and divide it. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and you don't have to touch the denominator. But if it's hard to remember that rule, you just go ahead and multiply by the denominator, and then you can simplify the answer. Okay, guys, this is time for practice. So you can pause the video here, and then you can come back to check the results. So in this one, 1/6, and then we multiply the 3 to the denominator. It's 1 over 18. And in this one, we multiply by 10 the denominator. It's going to be 5 over 20. Here we can simplify it. So we could do divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 5/2 divided by 10 is 1/4. Okay, guys, give me a like if it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe. Book your own lessons with me if you want. And drop any question you have in the comments below. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.